In the heart of tribal communities, where health is woven into the fabric of tradition, a silent revolution is taking place. When BIF promoted tree-based farming on the denuded land of tribal families as a source of food security, the family members were happy to work on their own land. However, their productivity was low, attendance on the field was also irregular because of malnutrition and frequent illnesses. In the absence of adequate diet, poor quality potable water, and lack of access to preventive and primary healthcare facilities, families were unable to carry out the farming operations diligently. They used homemade remedies for relief or went to local herbal healers who provided traditional herbal medicines. Most of the tribal families did not avail the services of the primary health centers established by the state government because of the long distance, lack of awareness, non-availability of doctors, and high cost of medicines. BIF, through its Herbotechnique initiative, developed a strategy of strengthening the public healthcare services with the support of traditional healers locally known as Vaidus or Bhagats. This initiative involved verification of the Vaidus' traditional knowledge, upgradation of their skills, and introduction of new, effective, and low-cost therapies such as nature cure and plant-based treatment for primary health care. The focus was on building capacities of the Vaidu family, including both husband and wife. With growing awareness, families found solace in the services provided by traditional healers, their trusted guides in times of need. Traditional healers or Vaidus embarked on a journey of skill and knowledge enhancement, undergoing training in modern therapies and nature cure. For upgradation of their skills, they were trained in naturopathy at the Nature Care Ashram at Urali Kanchan near Pune. Apart from gaining additional knowledge of yoga, massage, mud, and steam-based therapies, based on their successful participation in the 10 days training program, the Vaidus received certificates which increased their credibility as reliable healers in society while helping them to gain expertise and income. The Herbotechnique program has brought recognition and accreditation to the work of traditional healer or Vaidus, while introducing several medicinal herbs which were not known to them. With newfound skills, the Vaidus established Charak centers, a treatment and cure center owned and managed by Vaidu family. It is not just a source of livelihood today, but has emerged as a rural health hub addressing primary health needs and reaching out to tribal, rural and urban communities.
आमच्या घरी मस्तपैकी आखे लोकांना आमच्या घरीची माणसा पण ट्रीटमेंट करतो, लेडीज माटे लेडीजला, भाई माटे भाईला करतो आणि सर्वेला आम्ही ट्रीटमेंट करून राहिलो आहे. आणि आमच्या हे आयुर्वेदिक सेंटर निलुसी चालू आहे, एक धरमपूरला आहे, एक वापीला आहे, असे हे सेंटर चालतात. आम्ही लोकांचा उपचार करतो, लोकांना मार्गदर्शन देतो आणि हे ट्रीटमेंट आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट करतो आम्ही. मग लोक आमचे दूरहून लोक येतात अनेक बिमारीसाठी, पॅरालिसिस व्हा, सांधा दुखा, कंबर दुखावा, कंचेसाठी पण बिमारीसाठी आमच्याकडे इलाज करायसाठी दूरहून येतात. ते डॉक्टर इथे जाऊन कटाळतात, मग सर्व लोक इकडे येऊन बरे होतात.
आणि आजीला लकव्याचा त्रास झालेला भरपूर. इथं पहिल्यांदा आलं तिथून जरा बरं वाटतं, असं फरक पडला. मी भरपूर त्रास होत होता, उठता बसता नव्हतं येत ना. मालिश केली, दवा औषधं दिली, वाफारा दिला. आता भरपूरच फरक पडलाय. म्हणजे जरा बोलते, जेवते, औषधं घेते तिचे.
Through linkages, traditional healers became integral to mainstream society, participating in national events and receiving recognition for their services. BIF's efforts extended to mobilization of youth, ensuring the effective transfer of traditional knowledge, nurturing a new generation of healers, and building a cadre of young healers.
અમારા ઘેરે સેન્ટર ચાલુ કર્યા ત્યાં જે કસરત કરવાની હોય તે પ્રમાણે કસરત કરાવીએ, માલિશ કરીએ, માટી લેપ કરીએ, સ્ટીમ બાથ આપીએ, દવા આપીએ. એ પ્રમાણે અમે ચાલુ કર્યું. અમને ઘણો બધો ફાયદો મળ્યો અમે આમાં જોડાવાથી અને લોકો પણ સારા થતા ગયા. અત્યારે અમારા 4 સેન્ટર ચાલે છે.
મારા શરીરમાં છે ને આખા સાંધાનો દુખાવો થતો હતો. એ દુખાવો છે ને મટાડવા માટે મેં હોસ્પિટલનો સહારો લીધો, પણ તો હોસ્પિટલમાં સારું નહીં થતાં આયુર્વેદિક દવાનો અહીંયા મુકેશભાઈનો સહારો લીધો. 2 વખત છે ને માલિશ કરાવ્યો. હમણાં શરીરમાં ઘણો ફરક છે.
Today, these Charak centers function as multi-activity healthcare hubs, addressing health issues with traditional wisdom and timeless practices, thereby contributing to the holistic well-being for marginalized tribal communities.